everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Hope everything's going your way today. Today, I'm coming to you with an unboxing video. Yes, today I'm going to be unboxing for you my January Boxycharm. Yes, my January Boxycharm subscription box. Okay, everybody, let's get started. Man, okay, guys, so yeah. I'm not going to try to take up too much of your time today, guys. I just really wanted to come say hi to you guys, my peeps, and share with you what I got in my Boxycharm subscription box. And in my quest to keep my New Year's resolution to come to you guys, my peeps, with more content other than makeup plays and palette reviews, I'm going to do my very best to come to you guys, my peeps, with my Boxycharm subscription box each month. And some of them will be me just coming to you guys with an unboxing itself, while others may be me coming to you guys with a try-on. And while I did want to kick the new year off with a Boxycharm try-on, the word out here on these YouTube streets tells me otherwise. And I will not lie to you guys, while part of me wants to be super excited about what's in my box, the bigger part of me is pretty scared. Because when comparing most of the Boxycharm unboxing videos I've seen with the sneak peeks that they showed us in December, there seems to be a minor discrepancy. That said, guys, may we please have a moment of silence and say a quick prayer for my box. Amen. Okay, guys, your girls procrastinated long enough. Let's open her up, shall we? Okay, guys, and the Boxycharm theme for the month is breaking the ice. And on the back, it has a list of things that are in the box. I'm not going to look at that right now. I just want to be surprised at what's in it. Okay. The first item I have in the box is actually from Avant. It is the Avant Age Defiance 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So let's see if I can tell you a little bit about the mask without spoiling everything else that's in the box. There we go. This is what Boxycharm has to say. The 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Yeah, that sounds like something your girl can use. And the total retail price for this mask is $107. Really, Boxycharm? Really? Let's just check, shall we? Okay, guys, I am looking it up on HoLook. And according to HoLook, the retail price is $107. But they marked it all the way down to $24.97. Okay, guys, so I guess I'm going to be using this as part of my Saturday routine tonight. And we'll see what it do. Next. Okay, guys, let's see what else is in this box. Feel like a bunch of samples to me. The next thing we have is from Manna. This is the Manna Beauty Simplified Lip Whip in the shade Faith. So let's just see what Boxycharm has to say about this lip whip. What's it called? Okay, Lily, don't spoil it, okay? Don't spoil it with your $1 million box. Okay, Manna Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. A matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. The retail price is $21. Okay, I can definitely believe that. I'm not going to look it up, but what I also know is this is also something that you can find on Hot Look. Okay, guys, let's see what else is in this box. I'll tell you one thing, though. I definitely don't feel a palette. The next thing I have is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. Let's just see what Boxycharm has to say about this Dr. Brandt product. Okay, all eyes are on you with potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age fighting eye cream. A perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. And the retail price for this product is a whopping $55. We'll just see about that. Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Yes, this is actually one time that we didn't get duped by Boxycharm. On the Dr. Brandt website, it does have a retail price. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, no, I don't want your newsletter, Dr. Brandt, because Boxycharm keeps you in regular rotation. Okay, guys, yes. It is $55. Okay, guys, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, guys, the next thing I have in the box is from Skin & Company Romo. This is Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Okay, let's just see what Boxycharm has to say about this wonderful item. Okay, a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance.
Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beautiful cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide, bismuthos, a powerful, free, radical scavenger that reduces the size of aging. Gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion.
And the retail price for this product is $28. I can believe that. I can believe that. Okay, guys, let's see what the next eventful item is inside of our box. Is it empty? Wait a minute. There's only one other thing in this box. And it's by Pretty Vulgar. It's the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and this to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety, soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types. And the retail price for this concealer is a whopping $25. And thanks to me being lightly melanated, I feel I can get some kind of use out of this concealer. And there's absolutely nothing else in this box. Okay, guys, either Boxycharm forgot to put a couple items in my box, or what they did, as far as the spoiler goes, is totally false advertising. Guys, I really don't know what to say about this month's box. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm actually speechless. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. Do I feel like I receive nice items in my box and will I get good use out of them? Yeah, but I must say, guys, it is now in this moment that I understand why people get so mad when they get catfished. So guys, remember when I said I was going to try and be more consistent and come to you guys with a Boxycharm unboxing every month? Scratch that. Because after this debacle, I really don't know what the future holds for me and Boxy. But I will tell you this much. If I so much as receive one more box from Boxycharm without a palette in it, and not a pure palette, one thing's for sure and two things for certain, I will be canceling my subscription. Because I feel like between Marshalls and TJ Maxx, I would have found items just as comparable on the discount rack. So there you have it, guys. Up close and personal, honest and unfiltered. So we'll be doing this again next month, guys. Same bad place and same bag terror. I'm most certain I will like February's box better than January's. Because one, it's my birthday month. And for two, it can only get better from here. So I really want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today while I opened up my January Boxycharm subscription box. Yeah, I always love connecting with you guys, my peeps. Every chance I get. Every chance I get. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It only gets greater later, guys. It only gets greater later. So until next time, guys, stay real, stay positive, stay up, and damn it, you better watch, fight, and pray.